Good evening, ma'am. I am L. Navinayak from CSMB section. Today's my topic is determination the integral by changing the order of integration. Determine the integral by changing the order of integration. The change of order of integration. The change of order of integration. The change of the limits of integration. The second point, if the region of integration consists of a vertical slip and slide along x-axis, then the change of order a horizontal slip and slide along y-axis are to be considered be f2x. Type 1, given integration x minus a integration f x comma y dy dx y is equals to f1x. The points, write the given limits x is equals to a to z is equals to by, limits is equals to y is equals to f1x y minus f2x. Draw the diagram based on one, identify the required region. Draw the vertical slit which is parallel to y-axis is the region of integration since y limits are varying so that this limit side along x-axis. Vertical slit QP, the change of order of integration. The 4 points, draw the above diagram without vertical slit. Draw the horizontal to slit which is IL to x-axis in the region of integration. Find point of intersection if any. A fourth point, if the region is bounded by different curves and limits, split the region into some parts if necessary. Draw the various horizontal slit in the various region which are parallel to x-axis. Take or fix y limits as constants. Consider x limits in terms of y by using horizontally slit. Integration x is equals to a integration f2x y is equals to fx f x comma y dy dx minus integration d y minus c integration f comma y f x comma y dx dy. Do the integration wrt to x for and then wr to y. The type 2, given integration by is equals to 0 integration f to y f x comma y dx dz. Horizontal slip, the pq, integration b ya integration x is equals to f1y f x comma y dx dy is equals to d integration x is equals to c. f2x integration y is equals to fx x comma y dy dx. The question, evaluate 4a integration 0 2 root ax integration x2 by 4a dy by dx by the change of order of integration. X limits x is equals to 0 to x is equals to 4a. Y limits y is equals to x square by 4a to y minus 2 root ax. X square is equals to 4ay to y square is equals to 4x. The diagram, the x square is equals to 4ay, y square is equals to 2 root x. The region, the shaped region is the required region and the vertical slip is PQ. Change of order of integration, strip horizontal strip point of intersection sub y is equals to 2 root ax in y is equals to x square by 4a 2 root ax is equals to x square by 4a 4ax is equals to x4 by 16a square. 64 a cubed x is equals to x4. 64 a cubed x minus x4 is equals to 0. X 64 a cubed minus x3 is equals to 0. X is equals to 0. X3 is equals to 64a cubed. X3 is equals to 4a whole cubed. X is equals to 4a. If x is equals to 0, if x is equals to 4a, y is equals to 0, y is equals to 2 root ax. 2 root 4ax y is equals to 4a, and then 0 is equals to 0 comma 0 and a 4a comma 4a. The limits y limits minus 5 10 y is equals to 4a. X limits minus x is equals to y square by 4a to x is equals to 2 root ay. The area 4a integration x is equals to 0, 2 root ay integration y is equals to x square by 4a, dy dx is equals to 4a integration y is equals to 0, 2 root ax is x is equals to y square by 4a dx dy. 4a integration y is equals to 0, x 2 root ay y square by 4a dy. 4a integration y is equals to 0, 2 root ay minus y square by 4a dy. 2 root a integration y is equals to 0, 4a y 1 by 2 dy minus 1 by 4a. 4a integration a y square minus dy. 2 root a y 3 by 2 3 by 2 4a minus 1 by 4a y 3 by 3 4a. 2 root ax 2 by 3 4a 3 by 2 minus 1 by 12a 64a cubed. 4.a by 3 1 by 2 into 2 to 3 by 2 2 to cancellation and a3 2 minus 64 by 12 a square 32 by 3 a square minus 64 by 12 a square 128 minus 64 by 12 a square. The final answer is 16 a square by 3. Okay, thank you madam.